Hey guys, this is Miss Lindo. This is Module 4, Lesson 10 Homework Help video. And today we looked at using math drawings to represent the composition when adding a 2-digit and 3-digit add-in. So let's take a quick look. So the must-do problems for tonight are B and D. And for the problem, you're going to solve using the algorithm. Draw chips and bundle when you can. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to set up our problem vertically. So let's do A together. 125 plus 17. And we're going to set that up vertically. And so the first thing we're going to do after doing that is to draw our chips on our place value chart. So 125 is the same thing as 100, 2 10s, and 5 1s. Then we're going to build 17. So that's 1 10 and 7 1s. So here we can see that if we look at our 10s, we have more than 10. So we're going to bundle a group of 10 and move it over to make a new group of 10. So we know that 7 plus 5 equals 12. So don't forget to write your 2 and then your 1 underneath your tens place. So 2 10s plus 1 10 and one more 10 equals 4. And then we have 1 in the hundreds place. One thing we talked about today was making an expanded form equation underneath to show the representation. So the 1 dot in the hundreds place, and then in the tens place we have 4 10s, which is the same thing as 40, and then we have 2 1s. So 100 plus 40 plus 2 is the same thing as 142. So these are the steps that you need to take on B and D. Let's take a quick look at the back. On the back, must-dos are 2 and 3. And so number 2, it says Jamie started to solve this problem when she accidentally dropped paint on her sheet. So that's what this black mark is. She dropped some paint. Can you figure out what problem she was given and answer by looking at her work? So the first thing you're going to have to do is, what was the first add-in? What was the first add-in? And that's going to go here. What was the second add-in? And then what was her total? So you can solve. And then 3, A says in the morning, Mateo borrowed 4 bundles of 10 markers. So 4 groups of 10 and 17 loose markers from the art teacher. So you're going to take those two numbers and add them together just like we did on the front with your place value chips. B, it says in the afternoon, Mateo borrowed 2 bundles of 10 crayons and 15 loose crayons. How many markers and crayons did he borrow in all? So you're going to take the information from A and apply it to B with this number. I hope you guys have a great night, and I will see you tomorrow.